in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Rockwall County in north-central Texas, southwestern Hunt County in north-central Texas, Kaufman County in north-central Texas, northwestern Zandt County in north-central Texas, Dallas County in north-central Texas, until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Sunnyvale, or over Mesquite, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations affected include Dallas, Garland, Irving, Grand Prairie, Mesquite, Rowlett, DeSoto, Cedar Hill, Duncanville, Rockwall, Lancaster, Greenville, Oak Springs, University Park, Sac C, Terrell, Seaverville, Forney, Kaufman. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for north-central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
So it's right along the north of 20. That's where we have red hail. Jesse, let's widen that out just a little bit. Let's put a track on that. Because if you live over here in Terrell, I want to let you know what time this hail is going to arrive in your area, so you can take the proper precautions. Stay away from the windows is the number one thing that you need to do. If you have any...
The National Weather